Hello everyone. Today we'll walk through the complete installation process of lightweight composite wall panels. Step by step, you'll see how simple and efficient this system can be. Step 1. Layout and positioning. First, deliver the panels to the site. Mark baseline lines on both the floor and the ceiling to ensure vertical alignment. Also, mark the positions of door openings. This step guarantees accuracy for the entire wall. Step 2. Surface preparation and mortar application. Before applying mortar, clean the grooves of the panels thoroughly and dampen them with a wet cloth or brush. Then, spread polymer mortar evenly along the grooves and on the baseline to create a solid bond. Step 3. Panel installation. Move the panel into position. Using a shovel, gently lift the bottom so the panels fit tightly together. Any excess mortar squeezed out of the joints should be scraped away, ensuring the seams are fully filled. Step 4. Cutting panels. Standard panels measure 610 by 2440 millimeters. When full panels don't fit, cut the panel to size so it can be installed seamlessly. Step 5. Fixing and reinforcement. Once the panel is set, secure it temporarily with wooden wedges at the top and bottom. Then insert steel bars for reinforcement, 6 or 8 millimeters in diameter, 200 to 250 millimeters long, with at least 100 millimeters embedded into the panel. For panels thicker than 125 millimeters, 2 bars are required. Step 6. Alignment check. Use a 2-meter straight edge to check for flatness and verticality. Adjust as needed to keep the wall neat and true. Step 7. Initial joint treatment. Scrape off excess mortar at the joints, then create a groove about 4 to 5 millimeters deep. This prepares the joint for final sealing. Step 8. Grouting top and bottom joints. After 7 days of curing, fill the top and bottom joints, as well as vertical seams with polymer mortar. Remove the wooden wedges and fill those gaps with mortar too. Remember, joints must be fully packed, next step should only begin 6 to 8 hours later. Step 9. Embedded electrical and plumbing lines. Based on the design plan, mark the positions for switches, sockets, and pipelines. Cut along the marked lines with a handheld saw or cutter, then clean the grooves manually, never by force. Important notes: do not cut both sides of the same position. Always stagger cuts by at least 100 millimeters. Wait at least 3 days of curing before slotting. Groove depth should not exceed 2/3 of the panel thickness, and groove width should not exceed 400 millimeters. Horizontal conduit runs should not exceed 350 millimeters. After installing the pipes, refill the grooves with polymer mortar in layers. Step 10. Door frame installation. The finished wall is strong enough to support any type of door frame, such as wooden doors, glass doors, or fire-resistant doors. Step 11. Joint tape application. Finally, after windows, doors, and utilities are installed, and at least 7 days have passed, treat the joints with anti-crack tape. First, clean the joint area and repair any damage. Then soak the tape in water for 30 to 60 seconds before applying. If not soaked, it may blister. If soaked too long, it may tear. And that completes the installation of lightweight composite wall panels. By following these steps carefully, you'll achieve a wall that is strong, flat, and long-lasting.